Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset TCL 605. Alright, so let's begin. First, we need to open up our settings. We have actually two options, let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is the one that I'm showing you right now, through the settings. And this method is recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, and when everything is fine. And now click on the system, and click on the reset options. And in here on the bottom, we have option to erase all data. We need to simply click on that. And now, simply click on erase all data, then follow the instruction on the screen. After that, your device will be turned off, then turned on again. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Remember that all of your data will be lost. So for example, if you want to restore the data later, you can always create a backup before. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So that's the first method, through the settings. Now I'll show you the second one, which is through the recovery mode. To do it, we need to power off our device first. Let's tap the power button and volume up button at the same time. And now let's click on power off. Okay, now our device is being turned off. Now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time for a few seconds. And when the TCL logo appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So let's keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, that's the thing that we want to get. Select the recovery mode, that's the first thing from the top. The recovery mode. To confirm, click the volume the volume down, I'm sorry. Okay, now let's wait a few seconds. The menu should appear anytime. Okay, here it is, Android recovery. Now using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, select factory data reset, confirm. We can see down below that formatting data process has started. So let's wait until it's finished. Okay, data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now. Click the power button. And now within a second, our device will be turned on automatically. And the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.